Welcome to a new studio vlog. In this video, we are gonna build a temporary workstation for me there. I can't find any teaspoons, so tablespoons it is. Okay, before starting, I thought that I would give you a little update on what is happening. If you have been following me on Instagram, you know that we have been doing a cross-country move. We have moved from Helsinki 500 kilometers up north to a house. We are moving in to my granddad's house. And right now it is a mess. We are living between cardboard boxes, plants, and undone furniture. Unassembled furniture. And yeah, I'm gonna tackle a little bit today. My goal is to do something each day because I know that currently I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed about all the things that we should do, but nobody's telling us that we should do anything, so it's only in my head. And I thought that if I take just a small segment each day, at some point we will be finished and it will feel like our home. Because currently it still feels like a lot like my granddad's home because there is a lot of his stuff left. So I've been taking 5 days off, or actually 3 days off plus the weekend from the business. I am very grateful that I can do that I can just pack up my business and move it across the country. That wouldn't have been possible if I would have had a typical 9-to-5 job or teaching job, or yeah. So I'm very excited. The reason why I'm not currently moving into the studio is because the studio is still full of my granddad's stuff. My mom is gonna go through all that stuff and clean it out. We are letting her take her time because it's not that easy to go through your parents' stuff. My phone is ringing! That was my mom. She's popping by. And my dad. Later today. I don't know if there is anything else to update you on. If you have any questions or anything that you would like me to talk more about. Would you like a house tour, for example? Main goal today, build a workstation. Figure out the internet for the house because we currently are just hotspotting from our phones and that is not a sustainable solution. So we're gonna fix that, and I am gonna upload the video that was supposed to go up on Sunday, but it was just such a mess day, so I postponed that video. But I would like to get it up. When you're watching this, it is probably on my YouTube channel. It's about what I've been crocheting during the last 3 months. A very cozy sit down kind of video. And the last video from our previous apartment. just need to show you this tapestry before taking it off the wall. Unfortunately, it is not in my color scheme, but I think it's still a very beautiful art piece. And I think that those looks like owls. I don't know. Let me know what you think they are. Very cute. Too beige and too gray for our taste. That's screwed into the wall, so I need to get a screwdriver to get it down. I'm gonna take a picture of it before I take it down, just if my mom tells me to put it up on Facebook Marketplace, I have some shots of it when it's up on the wall. The tapestry is off, the wall is a little bit dirty, but we are gonna paint in here, so I am not gonna clean it that thoroughly, but I'm gonna brush it off with a damp cloth just to see if anything even gets off the wall, and then I am gonna assemble the desk. The table is done. I just need to plug in the computer. Now starts the difficult part, to find where all my stuff is in these boxes. It started all good and we labeled all the boxes and kind of added what was inside of them, and then we maybe did that for the 3 first boxes, and after that we didn't do it anymore. So I guess we are gonna start searching and opening boxes. I managed to find one of the last boxes that at least have my tablecloth that I used to have on my desk, but I probably need to wash that, and the wooden thing that goes under my screen. So yeah, let's dig through this box and see if what we can find. I hate how that looks like with the 2 different wooden colors, but it's gonna be fine. We're gonna put a tablecloth for now on the table, and in the future I am planning to paint the entire table, maybe pink or some other really popping color. Good morning or good day. It is 1 p.m. and it is a new day. I am gonna show you how the desk situation looks like right now, and then I am gonna do some work for a couple hours. I do think I need to build a shelf today though, because there is gathering stuff on my table and I don't like it, so I need a shelf to put everything in. So I have this Lundia really narrow shelf that I used to have beside my desk in Helsinki, so I think I'm gonna build that one. We have a big bookshelf that is gonna go here that I had in our previous apartment when I had a studio there. If you are one of those who have been following me for that long, shout out to you. But yeah, that is going out there. I love that shelf so much, but it is a little bit daunting to assemble, so we haven't really done that yet, but we need to do that at some point. But first, it's more important to empty boxes in the kitchen and get the kitchen up, because the kitchen is a mess right now. Yesterday I cleaned the bathroom and throw away so much old stuff. So now it feels like we have at least moved in to the bathroom and it feels like our little space. I can take you on a bathroom tour actually before I start working. Okay, new plans. Instead of building the shelf there, I'm gonna do it in that corner, because there I am gonna make a video filming table, because the lighting is so good there, and then I can just swing my microphone from my desk to that table. So we're gonna pop up a shelf there so I can start organize my stuff somewhere. We have a shelf. I couldn't find the screws for the last shelf that is gonna go there, I think. So for now we have only 4 shelves, but I think I will survive for the time being. I am very happy to have some kind of storage close to my desk. It is very needed. I just filmed the November amigurumi tutorial there. The setting light-wise is perfect because it's really by the window. Now it's a bit too sunny, but otherwise it was very, very nice compared to how dark it was in our previous apartment. But the table I'm using is really low, so it was very unergonomical and it hurt my back a lot. So it is not a permanent setup, but for now it works. I bought some candy to pop into the Christmas calendar. Now it's in focus. To make some TikToks, and yeah, the good thing is that we have a lot of nice things to eat. The best thing is that we get to eat everything at some point. When I'm done with filming all the content for it. Looking very much forward to that. Before ending this studio vlog, let me give you a quick tour of how the temporary workstation slash studio ended up looking like. It's a bit messy now, but that is just life, so you have to just bear with me. So this is the desk. I know it is very messy right now. I need to have more storage space where I can store everything, because that's the reason why there is so many things on my desk right now, because I have nowhere to put them. I'm really happy with how the shelf turned out. It has books and current projects. I also fitted the printer. It fits perfectly. It's like maybe a centimeter left on each side. Then we have my art supplies in that drawer or box, which have now become a junk box, which I don't like. So I need to fill up this with more shelf space or get some other solution for it. And then underneath there is also some business stuff too in that thing or bag. If you're still here watching, put a moving box in the comments so that I know that you're a part of the end squad. Thank you so much for watching this studio vlog. Let me know what you think about my little desk setup, and if you have any tips on how I could fit more storage into this spot, because that is very much needed. I will see you in the next video. Bye!